Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Botanique Paris RevitalEyes Eye Beauty 1. So, in this case, you might be wondering what is Botanique Paris Revital Eye here that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, in this case, the Botanique Paris Revital Eyes is an at-home under eye beauty device that combines red light therapy and EMS microcurrent. According to the official website here, it is designed to target the appearance of under eye puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, and skin firmness. Now, how does this device actually work? Now, according to them, the device itself uses a 630 nm red light, which Botanique Paris says penetrates the skin and is intended to stimulate collagen production and improve circulation. Now, it also uses EMS microcurrent with three intensity levels: a 12 MA, 15 MA, and 18 MA. Now, the company says the microcurrent is designed to promote lymphatic drainage and tone the muscles around the eyes here. So, in this case, the manufacturer describes the treatment as a 10-minute daily routine, with 5 minutes focus on the red light portion and another 5 minutes using the microcurrent. Now, speaking of the treatment here, how do you exactly use RevitalEyes here? Well, according to them, you first need to start applying the company's activating serum under both eyes here. Botanique Paris says this helps remove conductivity, then position the RevitalEyes device comfortably over the under eye area and press the start button. Now, the first 5 minutes here are described as red light treatment. After that, microcurrent portion uses gentle electrical pulses for another 5 minutes, and device has 3 intensity settings. So the website lists low, medium, and high levels for different stimulation levels here. Now, Botanique here recommends daily use. Now, its website presents a progression of expected results, including reduced puffiness in the first week, texture improvements around the eyes here, and reduced puffiness here for the first week. So yeah, and also brighter looking eyes around the eye around 4 weeks here, and further changes through the week 6 to week 8 and third month here. So if you want to learn more about that, read more into that, they do have specifics on it in their website, so you can just visit their website here. So yeah, so in this case, these are claims presented by the manufacturer here, so you may want to manage your expectation as everybody's body work differently here. So Botanique Paris recommends daily use, so they do mention that it's safe to use daily, and its website presents a progression for expected results. Now, the company here states that the RevitalEyes here uses non-invasive red light and microcurrent technology, contains no UV rays, and is intended for use without needles or surgery. The website describes the device as FDA cleared, although that is a manufacturer provided statement here. So they do say that FDA cleared, non-invasive, zero downtime, clinically safe, pain-free in all skin types here. So, in this case, in simpler terms, RevitalEyes is a wearable under eye treatment or device that combines red light with adjustable EMS microcurrent. You apply the activating serum, position the device under your eyes, and use it for about 10 minutes per day. Now, because you're using electrical stimulation, red and light therapy here around the eyes, following the manufacturer's instructions and doing your own research into the device safety and suitability is actually recommended. Now, if you have like an eye condition, use medical devices around your eyes, or have concerns about using electrical stimulation near the eyes, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before use is also recommended. And maybe reading reviews outside and inside their website is also recommended here, just to make sure that you're getting most out of your money. But that's about it. If you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.